Now I am going to discuss the question number 37, paper 1, physics. It is given in the question, consider the spring mass system with the mass submerged in water as shown in the figure. The phase space diagram for one cycle of this system is. But it is not given in the question that which point is starting of the oscillation, right? But from the given options, we can easily analyze that option C and D are not correct, right? Suppose this is lower extreme position and this is upper extreme position and this is mean position, right? At mean position, the velocity of the oscillating body will be maximum, and at extreme positions, velocity of the oscillating body will be 0. And it is given in the question that the momentum in upward direction is taken to be positive, and in downward direction, the momentum is taken to be negative. If the body starts oscillating from the mean position, the velocity will start decreasing, right? But after this upper extreme position, the momentum will be changed. That is, the sign of momentum will be changed. Hence, the option C and D cannot be correct. It means the correct option may be A or B, but most appropriate option will be B, because in option B, first the starting position is upper extreme position and the momentum should be negative, and for half cycle momentum should be negative from upper extreme position to lower extreme, and the momentum will be 0 at lower extreme position, then momentum will be positive and maximum at mean position, then again momentum will be 0. But last position where the oscillation is completed, it's one complete cycle, the position will be less than the initial position because of the dissipative forces, right? Due to the dissipative forces of liquid. Hence, the correct option will be B. The answer of this question will be B, and the diagram is given in the option B, and it is clear from the option B that the last position is less than the starting position, right? Hence, the correct option will be B for this question.